Today's quick video answers this lunch packing dilemma of how to keep crackers from getting soggy in the lunchbox. Hey, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you're here. On this channel, I share tons of school lunch ideas and I answer all of your how to pack questions. So make sure to subscribe and hit that red bell so you're notified when a new video is released every week. Now, I pack crackers in my kids' lunch all the time, and I've learned that some crackers hold up better than others. Those buttery, flaky crackers tend to absorb moisture from other foods in the lunchbox a lot quicker than crispier crackers. For this reason, my first tip, regardless of which crackers to buy, is to pack them in a separate compartment of the lunchbox, away from the moist ingredients like fruit, sauces, or dips. Now, other times, like when you're adding a bunch of ingredients inside of a lunchbox, like I did in this bento box, you're gonna want to pack them in a separate container or in a zip bag. Keeping them separate is the best way to ensure that they stay crisp. Now, speaking of lunches, if coming up with what to pack for lunch is a struggle, make sure to download this free lunchbox builder printable. I've linked it for you in the description box below, and it's gonna help you pack quick lunches with ingredients that you already have on hand. Now, a lot of times people want to know if they can refrigerate crackers with the lunch, like if you're packing the lunch ahead of time, and my answer is absolutely. As long as you put the crackers in its own compartment that's sealed or in a separate container. I do this all the time. Now, I do know that some areas of the fridge have more moisture, like the back of the fridge and the veggie drawers. So I recommend storing your made ahead lunches on a shelf and towards the front closest to the door. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to watch this next video. See you next time.